Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most luxurious touring motorcycles in the world, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT. It's powerful, comfortable, and built with precision. But like every machine, it's not perfect. So in this video, we'll explore the main drawbacks of the 2026 Gold Wing, starting with the sound, then the engine and fuel tank, followed by price, and finally, the other mechanical and practical issues you should know before buying. The sound. The 2026 Gold Wing sounds deep, rich, and mature, a tone that reflects power and class. But not everyone will love it. At idle, there's still a noticeable vibration and resonance from the flat-six engine. At highway speeds, even though Honda improved the fairing design this year, the wind noise and low-frequency hum can still be heard, especially during long rides with a passenger or luggage boxes attached. It's not loud, but it's constant. So if you prefer a truly quiet, refined, or smooth acoustic experience, the Gold Wing's sound profile might feel heavy and tiring over time. Engine and fuel tank. Now, let's talk about the engine and the tank, the heart of the Gold Wing. The 2026 model carries forward Honda's legendary 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine with DCT transmission, smooth and effortless. But with that comes weight, a lot of it. At around 390 kilograms, the Gold Wing is still one of the heaviest touring bikes out there. Throttle response, while refined, doesn't feel as sharp or immediate as lighter tourers like the BMW K1600 or Yamaha Transcontinental. Fuel efficiency also remains an issue. Despite small ECU tweaks this year, the real-world mileage still hovers around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter, depending on how you ride. That means long-distance riders will need to plan fuel stops more often than expected. And while the tank size is decent, its shape and weight distribution make refueling slightly tricky when the bike is on a slope. So yes, the engine is powerful and reliable, but it comes with the trade-offs of weight, heat, and higher fuel consumption. Price and ownership costs. Now, the big one, price. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing GCT is a luxury machine, and it's priced like one. Depending on your region, it can cross $30,000 to $35,000 US, and that's before accessories. But what most buyers don't consider is the long-term cost. Genuine Honda parts, electronic sensors, and even simple maintenance jobs can cost significantly more than similar tourers. Honda has improved reliability, yes, but service intervals and dealership-only diagnostics still make this bike expensive to maintain. In short, the Gold Wing isn't just costly to buy, it's costly to own. Other parts and practical issues. Lastly, let's talk about the other aspects that riders often overlook. The Gold Wing's electronic systems, from ride modes and infotainment to adaptive windshields and navigation, are advanced, but complex. If one asks why.